So in our final video, we're going to look at how do we get our loop to automatically work out how many items are in the list and therefore how many times I need to go through the loop to echo out each team name. Now there is a command that allows us to do that, and the command is the count command. So if I change $x less than or equal to 3 and change it to $x less than count, and then have normal brackets and add in my team name variable, then the loop will automatically count how many items are in the array, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will go through the list starting at 0 until x is less than 4. So if I was to add a few more teams in here, so Adelaide Crows, I believe, is a team. And we'll add in Brisbane Lions. Then I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teams, numbered from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to team 5. So I want to go through the loop starting at 0 and ending when I'm less than 6, because I've got 6 teams, the last team being team number 5. So it will count the number of items in the variable text football team, go through the loop that many times, and if I now run my program, it's now gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have all of my items echoed out. If I add another item to my list, it doesn't matter how many I add, I'm only limited by the number of teams there are and the number I can think of names for, but Carlton I think comes to mind, and let's go for, I think there's Footscray. I'm showing my ignorance here. So if I now rerun that, I don't have to change the loop at all. The loop will automatically go through and print out all my teams. So have a go at changing your loop to use a count command. Check that what you want to get out, I need to make sure I've got Richmond, which I do, Essendon I have, Collingwood I have, Sydney Swans I've got, Adelaide Crows are coming out, Brisbane Lions are coming out, Carlton's echoed to the screen, Footscray's there as well. So all of them are being echoed out onto the screen. So have a go at adding in the count command into your loop. Perhaps add a few more items if you can into your array, and try it out to see whether you can get the computer automatically counting how many items are in your array and echoing each one out using a loop command. If you have problems with this, give me a yell on Teams and I'll get back to you and help you with that. Otherwise, have a great rest of your summer break. Hopefully you haven't left this to the last minute, and we will catch up with you on the first class in 2023.